This information is not meant to replace the advice from a medical treatment team. Caregivers should be aware of any special considerations of the veteran and themselves. Please consult a medical treatment team regarding any specific concerns. Prior to the veteran standing, make sure the wheelchair is next to the bed, brakes are locked, and footrests are removed. When helping a veteran with transferring from the bed to a wheelchair, you could prevent falls and injury by following these tips. Make sure the veteran is wearing non-slip socks or shoes. Use equipment as needed, such as a wheelchair and walker. Use a transfer belt as needed. For directions on how to put on a transfer belt, please refer to video number 1. Make sure the veteran's hands are supported on the bed and feet are flat on the floor. Place a walker in front of the veteran. Help the veteran transfer toward their stronger side and have the veteran do as much as possible during the transfer. Caregivers should follow proper body mechanics by staying close to the veteran, keeping the feet shoulder-width apart, keeping the back straight, and lifting with the legs. And when pivoting or moving your feet, don't twist when completing the transfer. Have the veteran lean forward before standing. Hold the transfer belt using an underhand grip. Have the veteran do as much as possible by using their legs and pushing with their arms. Count to 3 before helping the veteran to stand.
Okay, I'm going to count to 3 and have you stand and put your hands on the walker. 1, 2, 3.
As the veteran comes to standing, have the veteran place their hands on the walker. Once standing, pause for a few seconds and make sure the veteran is stable before attempting to transfer to a wheelchair. While standing at their side and holding the transfer belt, help the veteran turn with the walker until their back is facing the wheelchair. The veteran should step back until both of their legs are touching the wheelchair. Have the veteran reach back to the wheelchair armrest using one hand at a time. Help lower the veteran onto the wheelchair. Once seated in the wheelchair, have the veteran move all the way back into the seat. The caregiver should place footrests back onto the wheelchair. Have the veteran lift their legs and place their feet onto the footrests. Remove the transfer belt unless the veteran plans to get out of the wheelchair soon. Do you need more information on available VA resources and training regarding transfers? VA can provide veterans with necessary adapted equipment such as a wheelchair, walker, and transfer belt. Please consult your VA healthcare provider for a referral to physical therapy and occupational therapy.